Thinking about remodeling your bathroom? Whether you're tempted by the DIY trend or leaning towards hiring a contractor, this video will help you decide which path is best for your project. Stick around to hear 5 questions you need to ask yourself before swinging that sledgehammer yourself or calling in the pros. Hi, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions. We here at JSB have been remodeling bathrooms in Central Ohio for almost 5 decades, and I've even tackled a DIY bathroom remodel myself. Here's the thing, just because we're a contractor doesn't mean we're here to convince you to hire us or any other company for your bathroom remodel. DIY can be a fantastic option in the right situation, and we recognize that. This video is all about helping you decide what's best for your bathroom remodel. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We're going to dive into 5 key questions that every homeowner should ask themselves before starting a bathroom remodel. These questions will help you think honestly about your skills, time, and what surprises you can handle. We want to help you make sure you don't end up halfway through a project wondering, what did I get myself into? So, first question, do you have the skills for the job? A bathroom remodel isn't just swapping out a shower curtain or hanging shelves. You'll need to tackle plumbing, electrical work, tiling, waterproofing, and more. If you've never installed a toilet or patched drywall, no shame. But jumping in without these skills can lead to frustration, extra costs, and maybe a sheepish call to a contractor to fix what went wrong. If you've got the know-how, great. If not, maybe stick to smaller projects like painting and let the pros handle the rest. Question 2, will you actually save money? The appeal of DIY is usually saving money, but let's break that down. Do you already own the tools you'll need, or will you need to buy or rent them? And what is your time worth? Sure, your labor is technically free, but is spending every weekend tiling your bathroom worth missing your kids' soccer games or your Netflix binge night? DIY can save you money if you're prepared, but if unexpected costs pile up, the savings might not be worth the headache. Question 3, do you have the time to commit to your project? Be honest with yourself. How busy is your life right now? If you're working full-time, wrangling kids, or just trying to survive the chaos of daily life, do you really want to spend your evenings grouting tile? Living in a construction zone can wear on you too. No one enjoys brushing their teeth in the kitchen sink for months because the bathroom is still in progress. So ask yourself if you have the time and energy to see it through. If you're fired up and ready to roll, go for it. If not, a contractor might be the best bet. And question 4, are the materials you can buy high quality? Here's a pro tip, not all materials are created equal. The faucet you grab at a big box store might look great, but the fittings could be plastic instead of brass. Contractors often have access to better quality materials at lower prices through their suppliers. So while DIY can be cheaper up front, you might end up replacing that faucet, or worse, fixing a leak sooner than you'd like. And question 5, how much risk can you handle? We're talking about surprises here because bathroom remodels always come with surprises. Maybe it's corroded pipes or wood rot under your toilet. Are you ready to deal with those curveballs? And what about after the project? DIY often means no warranties on materials or workmanship. Contractors, on the other hand, typically offer guarantees, like our limited lifetime workmanship warranty. If surprises don't bother you, DIY could be the best way to go. But if you'd rather have the peace of mind knowing that your materials and work are covered under warranties, a contractor might be worth it. Now that you've thought through these questions, you're ready to make the best decision for your bathroom remodel. If you've decided to hire a contractor, take your time to find the right one. Look for a company with no-pressure sales practices, access to high-quality materials, and a strong reputation backed by positive online reviews. The best contractors will take the time to listen to your goals, understand your lifestyle, and help you create a bathroom that truly works for you, not just looks good on paper. If you want more guidance, check out our blog post, How to Hire the Right Bathroom Remodeling Contractor. The link is in the description below, and it's packed with helpful tips to make sure you choose a contractor you'll love working with. And if you're in Central Ohio, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We'd love to help answer your questions and guide you through the process. Thanks for watching, and if this video gave you some clarity, Hit that like button and subscribe for more remodeling tips. Dream big and remodel smart.